Hello, my friends. Here we are. It is 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it's time for the drawing. I have all of the names of everyone that was entered right here. Let me see if I can do two things at once. Some of you were entered twice, or even more times, because I had a little hidden opportunity at the end of one of my videos to be able to earn more entries, and some of you found that and got extra entries. So now I'm gonna go ahead and shuffle, and here we go. All of the names are here, and now we're gonna spin and find out who wins. There we have it. That is our winner. Congratulations, and you can reach out to me, or I will definitely be reaching out to you and get your address and send you the March main kit from Hip Kit Club. Congratulations.